When you search for the best Tcl Series Roku TVs, everything looks the exact same. Same specs, same flashy photos. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, 32-inch Class A4 Series. Let's kick things off with the Hisense 32-inch Class A4 Series Roku TV. Priced at just $97.99, it's hard not to notice the value here. The crisp 720p HD resolution and Dolby audio caught my eye right away. If you want a compact TV that's packed with smart features without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The 720p resolution means you're getting a bright, clear picture that's perfect for smaller spaces. Think bedrooms or kitchens. You'll love the slim bezel design that maximizes screen space and adds a modern touch to your setup. Plus, it's compatible with both Google Assistant and Alexa, letting you control your TV with your voice. This matters because it means you can switch channels, adjust volume, or even search for shows without lifting a finger. With over 2,500 reviews averaging 4.5 stars, plenty of folks are loving this TV. Now, some people complained about the sound quality not being the greatest. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a smaller room or just for casual viewing, it's perfectly fine. But if you're planning on getting all cinematic with a surround sound system, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, compact TV for everyday use. Skip this one if you're looking for a theater-like audio experience. Honestly, at this price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the sound quality was a concern for you, this next one is a step up in that department. Product number 2, Roku Replacement Remote. Next up is the AZEN Replacement Remote Control for Roku TV, priced at just $6.99. If you've ever lost your remote, and who hasn't, this one caught my attention for being super affordable and hassle-free. If you're looking for a reliable backup remote, this is worth a serious look. The best part, there's no setup required. Just pop in 2 AAA batteries and you're ready to go. It's compatible with a bunch of Roku TVs, including TCL and Hisense. Over 10,000 of these have sold in the past month, which says a lot about its convenience. The remote features 8 shortcut buttons for your favorite streaming services like Disney Plus and Netflix, which means you can jump right into your shows without scrolling through menus. Here's why this matters. You're saving time and frustration every time you want to watch something. However, keep in mind that this remote isn't compatible with Roku sticks or boxes, which might annoy some users. But if you simply need a backup for your Roku TV, it's a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you've lost your original remote or just want an extra one around the house. Skip this if you need something for a Roku stick or other devices. Honestly, for under $7, it's a no-brainer. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bigger screen. Product number 3, 40-inch Select Series. Coming in at number 3 is the Roku 40-inch Select Series Smart TV, retailing for $149.99. This TV stands out with its 1080p Full HD resolution, perfect for immersive viewing. If you want a larger screen with great picture quality for a reasonable price, this is worth a serious look. With built-in Wi-Fi, this TV allows for seamless streaming of local news, sports, and movies. Plus, the Roku platform gives you access to over 500 channels, which means there's always something to watch. The voice remote feature also makes controlling the TV super easy. Here's why this matters. You can search for shows, adjust settings, and navigate through apps without even touching the remote. It's a game changer for convenience. A couple of users mentioned that the sound could be better. I'll be real with you, while it's fine for casual viewing, it's not going to blow you away if you're into high-end audio. If you plan on using external speakers or a soundbar, you'll be just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a solid mid-sized TV for streaming without the hassle. Skip this one if you're looking for an ultra-premium sound experience. For the price, it's a fantastic option. Now, if you're looking for something larger with even more features, the next one might be just what you need. Product number 4, 32-inch Select Series. Now let's talk about the Roku 32-inch Select Series, available for $129.99. This TV has the same 1080p Full HD resolution as the previous model, but it's perfect for smaller spaces. If you want a compact smart TV that still delivers quality, this is worth a serious look. Plus, the Bluetooth headphone mode is a cool feature that allows for private listening. This really matters because if you're living in an apartment or have a family, you can enjoy late-night movies without disturbing anyone. However, some users found the remote a bit basic and lacking in features. Here's the thing, though, if you're just looking for straightforward functionality and not all the bells and whistles, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you need a smaller smart TV for a bedroom or office. Skip this if you're looking for advanced features and larger screen sizes. Honestly, it's a great value for a compact option. Alright, let's wrap up with a truly impressive choice for those who want to upgrade their viewing experience. Product number 5, 55-inch Plus Series. Finally, we have the Roku 55-inch Plus Series Smart TV, priced at $369.99. This one is a serious upgrade, featuring mini-LED backlighting and 4K QLED technology. If you want a premium viewing experience with vibrant colors, this is worth a serious look. This matters because if you're into watching movies or sports, you'll appreciate the clarity and depth of the picture. Plus, with the enhanced voice remote, finding your favorite shows is just a voice command away. Now, some users noted that it can be a bit pricey compared to other models. But if you're serious about quality and want one of the best viewing experiences out there, it's justifiable. This is perfect for you if you want a high-end TV experience and have the budget for it. Skip this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. Honestly, for the features and picture quality, it's worth it. To sum it up, each of these Tcl Series Roku TVs has something unique to offer. From budget-friendly options to premium experiences, there's something for everyone depending on your needs and preferences. To sum it up, we talked about the compact yet affordable Hisense 32-inch A4 series, the practical AZN replacement remote, the solid Roku 40-inch Select series, the compact Roku 32-inch Select series, and finally, the high-end Roku 55-inch Plus series. Depending on your space and budget, there's a perfect Tcl Series Roku TV waiting for you.